You are watching Taniabarbs. Welcome to my channel. Kindly share, like, and don't forget to subscribe. Let's enjoy.
A very good morning, my people. How are you? How is everything? How are you doing? Hope everything is okay. This is your girl Taniabarbs. Taniabarbs World is my YouTube channel. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. It is a very good morning for me. I slept here on a beach hotel called Sienna Beach Hotel. I'm so glad that I went out. I slept out. I enjoyed the whole day yesterday. Now another day for me to enjoy. So I'm going to tour you around the hotel where we slept with my sisters, my mom. So I'm going to tour you around. Come with me. We go, we enjoy, we see. If you have to come, please come. If you want to come, please come. You will enjoy. They are good people, friendly place. So if you decide to come, you will enjoy. Come with me, I tour you around. This is the beautiful balcony where we slept on our bedroom. It is there. It is so huge. Even if you come with your whole family, you can fit on this veranda, on this balcony. So if you want to come, the veranda, the balcony is so beautiful. You can sit, relax, take your breakfast if you want to from outside. It is very beautiful. They can put another table here. Three tables can fit here. So it is so beautiful, well decorated, beautiful colors. So we are going inside. Beds are not made yet. This is where we slept. These are our bags. We slept here, our phones. This is the bed where we slept. One of my sisters slept here. My mom and my sister slept here. It is a family room. So you can enjoy sleeping here. See the mosquito nets. The room is so beautiful, very big. So beautiful. You can come, sleep here, enjoy your night, everything. You can enjoy your stay from Sienna Beach Hotel. The TV, those ones who wants to watch TV is there. That is it. This is the dining area. This is where people sit and eat food, everything. They enjoy their meals from here, from this side. It is somehow dark, but you'll bear with me. It is very big. You can sit here, enjoy your meals. Everybody is serving dishes. My mom enjoying her breakfast. Hi. That is upstairs. You can relax from here. Beautiful chairs. Yes. This is the main entrance of the hotel. Entrance, you can see entrance. It is so beautiful, very big, near the waters. See how beautiful it is. You can come and relax from here. Their prices are so friendly. You can negotiate with them. You get what you want. Yeah. This is the best view for this hotel. You see? That is where we slept. Here. That is our room. That is where we slept. That is the entrance. Beautiful flowers. Beautiful compound where you can make your you can put your function if you want to. It is so beautiful. Come and enjoy Sienna Beach Hotel. We are like we are not guests no more because we've been here for so many times. They are our friends, so I can recommend you this hotel to come. They are good people. They welcome their customers in a friendly way. They even have fruits here. They have even jackfruit. They have oranges. Oranges there. Have oranges. There is even fruits. There. Thank you so much, Sienna Beach Hotel, for arranging this place for people to sleep, to stay. You can call this your home. You can call it your home. Don't forget to subscribe on my channel, Taniabarbs World. And may God will bless you for me, because you'll be doing me a very tremendous job subscribing to my channel. I'll be so grateful. This is Sienna Beach Hotel. Come and enjoy, come and relax. We are out. It is a very beautiful compound, very huge, where you can put your function. There is water, sea water. There is a bird there. It is there. There is water here. Water. Guys, I enjoy seeing water so much. So water is here. If you want to come and swim, you swim at your own risk. They don't allow you to go into water, but you can swim at your own risk. Hear that sound. The sound is so beautiful. Water sound is so beautiful, my God. Wow, water. Oh, feel the breeze. God, this is so beautiful. Wow, this is beautiful. Guys, this is so beautiful. Can you hear that sound? Can you hear that sound, guys? Wow, this sound is so beautiful. The environment is so good. The breeze is so good. The environment, I can't tell. This is so beautiful. Guys, come. You can pitch your tent there. Anywhere you can pitch your tent and sleep. You can enjoy outside breeze. Oh my God, this is so beautiful. We have a a bar there. You can go sit, relax. Those ones who take beers, wines, spirits, and all that, you can come and enjoy each and everything around here. They are so good. They are good people. They are friendly. You can come and spend your days here, enjoying the rest of the day, feeling this hair breeze. Water. Jesus Christ. You're not seeing anything, only water. Wow. Hello, Sebo. How are you? Well done. Njebaleko. Kale. Kigenda jitya. Mpola mpola. Webale kukola mnange. Ye naffe twazze tubalabeko. Sebo sejebaleko. Kale Sebo. Ooh, what a tall tree. It is very tall. Wow. It is going to rain. Wow, Sienna. Sienna. Yes, this is Sienna. Sienna Beach Hotel. You can see it from afar. That's where we slept. We enjoy this place so much because they are good people and they are so caring, loving. I can't tell. Wow. What a very, very designed flower. So beautiful. Wow. This is beautiful, my God, I'm telling you. When you see it from afar, I can tell. You can tell me how beautiful this hotel is. It is very beautiful. Wind up with this beautiful video I made for you so that you can come and see what we have here in Uganda. We enjoy the beauty, we enjoy the breeze, we enjoy the waters, we enjoy everything. We enjoy the green, we enjoy the forest, we enjoy each and everything. We enjoy the climate. So guys, wherever you are, come to Uganda. Come enjoy our Uganda. Our Uganda is the pearl of Africa. We have everything. We eat what we want, we drink what we want, fresh fruits, a fresh meat, fresh everything you want in plenty. So don't forget to come. Endeavor to come, please. Endeavor to come and enjoy this beautiful Uganda you see here. Wow, see this beautiful compound. See what we have here. Everything here is so good. I'm telling you, we are enjoying each and everything here. I'm so glad I came. I slept here. I'm enjoying each and everything. I'm enjoying the breeze. I thank you, my God, for giving me this opportunity to sleep out, other than yearning to come and at least enjoy this type of breath. But they can't, they don't have money, they don't have time. You can be having money, but time can limit you. So create time for yourself and enjoy this. So I'm going to wind my video here from down to up. Thank you so much for viewing my video. May God bless you. Thank you so much. Ciao, ciao, ciao. Thank you. Thank you, thank you. Bye.
Baba baby, yeah. Nyamuze ndidda mutambula muzu. Maka sidde buddamu kuntambuza zisirinte. Iye royi biddamu. Mire batambuza nente. Iye. Mafuta wati.
Setugenda atandikira wana awali.
Njogo. Elefante.
So kino kye tugenda okola tujja kuba tuvaako awo weetaagisa wateetaagisanga.
Nga tusigala tubeyuka.
Yeah.
Kale.
Mukama akukuumya atya?
Bakusasula batya?
Tulaze to have a bear in the soup.
Keeper, you're most welcome.
So naye bamuyita Emma.
Okay.
We can see now the
Mr.
connection.
Emma, Mr. Animal Keeper, you're most welcome.
Alright guys, see you.
Hey,
Akola ki?
aganayingiza elephant. Ngala nnyo obutawala. Wow.
Hey, I wanted to see this. Kati ziba zaalidde dda oba zirya ziyingidde?
Zirya ziyingidde.
Hey, they don't eat from out.
No.
Hey, woman, that's why you have the other feeding program. Mwagala bawule babagiraba. You pay for that extra money.
Yeah, so basically waneno tulinawo empologoma. We have about 12 lions here, 7 females, then we have 7 males. So out of the 5 males, ensajja ze zibeera n'amayembe amawanvu, then enkazi ze zibeera n'amayembe nga mampimpi.
Eno y'ensajja ey'eno side.
Sosuubira we muyimiridde musobola
Yeah, this is the mani. Eno side one.
asinga ejjembe eggwanvu.
Is the mani. Mr. Man.
Ebimu ku bisolo ebisinga otawanyizibwa ba poachers olw'amayembe gaabyo.
Nga beerimba nti ga bbeeyi.
Actually, in black market, a rhino horn, a kilogram of a rhino horn is much expensive than a kilogram of gold. It costs about 30 USDs.
Mbwekola ki rhino horn?
Well, abantu abasinga bazikozesa okukola ebintu nga artificial fingernails ez'abakazi, bangles, oba ebyokwesiba ku bulago. Abachina believing
They are all shoebills. Mwaleeta n'endala?
shoebills tulinawo nga mukaaga. Wano waliwo nga 4, then waliwo n'endala eri
They eat watermelons.
mu ddwaliro ly'ebisolo.
In a water hole. Mwasalawo zinywe.
So these birds bisobola oyimirira we bate mu kifo kimu okumala essaawa 4 nga tetenyunyuzza birya gundi, birya byennyanja, especially emmamba.
How about your melons? Zakalika pressed.
The watermelon